Hello, my name is Frans Wening. Here we do have our CombiNorm pump. The pumps are built in bearing brackets. It's executed with a 75 kilowatts electric motor. This one is for pumping drinking water, and it's executed in cast iron. In this pumping station, we also do have pumps delivered for pumping chemicals, and they are executed in stainless steel. It is executed with a spacer coupling. You can pull out the complete bearing bracket, including impeller, without dismantling the pipework, as well on the suction side as on the discharge side. The benefit of that is that it is maintain friendly. It will cost you less time to maintain the pump.